Asus has been following a very strict schedule with a smartphone lineup over the past few years. The Zenfone series consisted of compact flagship, while the ROG Phone series catered to gaming-oriented crowd with flagship specs and larger size screens. Asus is expected to launch the Zenfone 11 soon, but it may also offer a larger version of its flagship this time around. A new leak has surfaced online when a Reddit user was digging through the ROG 8's firmware update. He got the first look of the Zenfone 11 Ultra with a series of renders that includes the retail packaging box and a detailed spec sheet. It looks very much like the ROG Phone 8 Pro in terms of design, but Asus is taking a new approach by targeting a broader audience with the Zenfone 11 Ultra, and it has a more subtle mainstream design compared to the ROG Phone 8 series. It will ship with most of the specs of the ROG Phone 8 series, but only with a 144Hz refresh rate screen instead of the 165Hz. The screen size is 6.78-inch Full HD+. It'll have the same cameras, the 50 megapixel main, ultra wide is 13 megapixel, telephoto is 32 megapixel 3x, and a front facing camera is 32 megapixel. It'll have up to 16 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 512 GB. It'll have 5500 mAh battery that supports 65 watt of wired charging and 15 watt of wireless charging. It'll come in 5 colors. One is Eternal Black, Skyline Blue, Misty Grey, Green, and a Desert Sienna color. It'll have a 3.5 headphone audio jack and dual stereo speakers. So this is the specs. It is virtually the same as the ROG Phone 8 Pro, but really hope they can price it around $800 to $850 and give much better software support. If Samsung gives 7 years, Google gives 7 years, BBK Group and Xiaomi giving for 4 years, so they should at least match it up for giving 4 OS updates.